Hi friends, this video is regarding weight loss. So this video mainly includes 12 natural herbal drinks for your weight loss, which I have personally experienced during my 1 year transformation. So without further ado, we can go into the video. So our first herbal drink is made up of black pepper. Black pepper contains a unique compound called piperine which prevents the formation of fat cells and helps in reducing the weight. So how is the drink made? Take 1 glass of warm water and add quarter a spoon of black pepper powder in it and also add 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it well and have it. You can have this drink at least twice a day. It's very effective. So our next drink is green tea only. Green tea is known for its rich antioxidant properties, plus it's also a very good appetite suppressor. So how green tea should be made? First of all, take 1 glass of water, boil it, add quarter spoon of cinnamon powder to it, wait for 2 minutes, then add 2 tablespoons of green tea leaves, mix it well, strain the green tea, and after that add half lime juice to it, mix it well and have it. You can have it at green tea at least 4 times a day. Always take green tea 30 minutes before meal. It's always advisable to take 30 minutes before meal. So our next drink is made up of ginseng. Ginseng is known for its various medicinal properties, and the major function of the ginseng is it helps in the improvement of testosterone, and which in turn improves our basal metabolic rate, and which in turn helps in our fat metabolism. So how ginseng drink is made? First of all, take half spoon of ginseng, to be exact 2 milligram, and keep it aside. Then boil water, take 1 glass of water, boil it and keep it for 5 minutes to cool it down. Then add this ginseng extract, mix it well. After that, strain the water and add half tablespoon of lime juice and half tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it well and have it. Always keep in mind, do not overdose ginseng, to be exact 2 milligram. So our next drink is made up of aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for the treatment of various skin and hair issues, but aloe vera has one additional benefit, that is it helps in detoxifying our body and also improving our metabolism, and hence it helps in our weight reduction. So how is aloe vera juice made? First of all, you can get aloe vera from the online stores, or you can get aloe vera plant, cut the stem, mash the aloe vera gel out by using the back of the spoon, mix it well in water and have it twice a day. Once you should always take aloe vera in an empty stomach. So our next herbal drink is made up of cumin seeds or jeera. Jeera has various medicinal properties which includes increasing basal metabolic rate and hence helps in weight loss. So how to make this drink? Take 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds and keep it in a glass of water and keep it overnight, and take it next day and warm the water and stir it out and have the water along with 1 tablespoon of honey. You can have it early in the morning in an empty stomach, which is very useful. Don't take it in between meals and all. Always take it in an empty stomach. So our next drink is made up of coriander seeds. Coriander seeds has various benefits. One of the major benefits is that it helps in improving our immunity. It is rich in various minerals and this also contains various healthy fats and also improves our metabolism. So how to make the drink? First of all, take 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and soak it in water, keep it overnight, and in the morning strain the water and take the water and add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder to it and mix it well and have it. You can have it at least 3 times a day, and the results are magical. So try it, it's very effective. Our next herbal drink is made up of garlic. Garlic has various medicinal properties. It improves our cardiovascular system, it improves our immune system, it also has various benefits in our gastrointestinal issues and all. So how this is made actually? Take 1 clove of garlic, mash it well, add it to 1 cup of water, add 1 tablespoon of lime juice to it, mix it well and have it in a go. You can have it at twice a day according to your convenience. Okay, there is no need to take it in an empty stomach and all. So our next drink is made up of cinnamon and turmeric. First of all, take 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and add to 1 glass of boiled water and mix it well. Keep it for 2 to 3 minutes and add a quarter spoon of turmeric and also a quarter spoon of honey to it. Mix it well and strain the water and have it. You can have this drink at least twice a day and it's very effective. So our next drink is made up of neem. Neem is known for its medicinal properties. One of the major medicinal property of neem is that it helps in reducing inflammation and it also helps in improving our metabolism. You can get neem extract from the stores, or you can use 5 to 6 leaves of neem,
First of all, the thing is that if you are using leaves, you have to keep these neem leaves in water for overnight for 12 to 13 hours, and you have to in the morning you have to stir it away, and you have to take the water only, and you have to take it in empty stomach for better results. Our next drink is made up of cardamom. So cardamom is one of the exotic spice, and it has one additional property of improving our metabolism. So how cardamom should be used? As I have already discussed how to make green tea. So while making green tea, instead of adding cinnamon powder, use cardamom and make it and have it like 4 times a day. One of the additional property of cardamom is that it helps in preventing our stomach bloating. So it has other medicinal values too. So always have this drink. It has multiple benefits. So our next drink is made up of fenugreek. Fenugreek has various properties. One of the major properties is that it helps in reduction of cholesterol, and it is also used for the treatment of polycystic ovarian syndrome, obesity, and helps in fat metabolism. So how to make this drink? First of all, take 2 tablespoons of fenugreek, soak it in water, 1 glass of water, and keep it overnight. So after 12 hours, have this water by water only, strain it and have it. And if you want, you can add 1/4 spoon of honey also. It's very effective. You have to have it in empty stomach. So our next drink is apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar is known for its fat metabolism properties. So how to take this apple cider vinegar? First of all, take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 to 1.5 glass of water, mix it well, and always have this drink 20 to 30 minutes before each meal, because it helps in hunger suppression and we won't be able to take too much food. So it's very effective, and the result wise it gives immense results. So try it out. So friends, you have seen the entire video. There are 12 natural drinks which improves your basal metabolic rate and helps in fat metabolism. So I have personally experienced the results. So try it out. It's very effective. And please mention your comments in my comment box how the drinks are effective and all. So if you have any other suggestions, please free to mention in my comment box. So I'll be coming with new videos. Till then, it's Girish signing off.